Welcome to VW Life, and today we've got the whole crew and we're racing around Circuit of the Americas.
Stop right there, Matt Jackson. There's no racing.
We're not?
No, we're driving at 20 miles an hour. Plus, we're in 60-year-old Volkswagens.
Oh, okay. So we're cruising around Circuit of the Americas.
Yes, cruising around for the Austin Food Bank. We're doing the donations for the Austin Food Bank. We're gonna go do a lap of the Circuit of the Americas.
Right, and we're probably gonna have 40. We're thinking about 40 Volkswagens. We're gonna bring you with us.
This is a preliminary. This is the meetup for the North people, and then we're gonna go meet up for everybody else closer to the track. Join along with us today as we go on a Mother's Day cruise to the Circuit of the Americas on VW Life. Comes old Barry.
Here comes old Barry and Tommy.
Our Uncle Target. All right, Matt Jackson.
All right.
Fire them up.
Channel 5 if you got a CV.
Good luck.
About a mile from the track at our meeting location, and we've got another dozen Volkswagens. Are you guys excited?
Oh yeah, this is gonna be great. This is gonna be a lot of fun.
And what happened out there?
Somebody doesn't know how to secure all the junk on his roof, and they're flying off down the road.
Hey, he was tailgating me, and I have a button to push. If you get on my tail end, stuff's gonna happen. And then Martin was too close, and that's what happens.
Hey Vela, so what are you looking forward to the most?
The hill.
The hill?
Turn 1. I think I might make it up it. We'll see.
Are you concerned at all about your oil leak?
No, that's, you know, marketed spot. It's a constant oil change happening, so I always got fresh oil going through.
Right, and we can see where you went on the track.
There you go, just follow the drops, man. Won't lose me.
We have the world famous Clark Underwood here today. I'm going to put a link to Clark's channel right here. And this is Hillary, the dynamic duo. You guys recently moved to Central Texas, right?
That's right.
And you have a bay window, right?
We've got a bay window, 70, yep.
Very cool.
And it's Niagara blue, and I hope you see it on this channel someday.
So we got 30 Volkswagen, 31 Volkswagens, if you count that thing. Anyway, we're gonna go around here, we get everybody together. We're gonna go cruising around a great, Circuit of the Americas, man. So it's the American circuit, I guess you could say.
It is a world famous track. I mean,
is it really that famous?
It is,
world famous.
I have been dreaming of this day.
Really?
They have, well, they have Le Bug show in Europe.
Oh, they go on
right.
Spa. Yeah, Spa's a little more famous than this.
Yeah, so ever since I saw all those Volkswagens driving on that F1 track, I thought it had to happen.
You know what, Matt Jackson? This has actually got Davey and I thinking we're ready to get this June bug starting to plan, man. Saturday before Father's Day, come on out, June bug rally. We're getting ready to plan it. It's gonna be a fun one this year, man. It's gonna be real fun.
That's gonna happen when we get. All right, first of all, everybody give yourself a round of applause for being here. Yay! Second of all the moms, raise your hand. Yay, moms! Thanks for all the moms that got us here. Well, we had to have moms to get here, most of us.
Thanks for all the moms that let us come here.
Yeah, that's it. Yay! It's so good to see all these Volkswagens. What a great day. We're so excited to see everybody. We don't know what we're getting into. We just know we're gonna go around the racetrack. Woo! That's what it's all about. But remember, this is for a good cause. So if you haven't already, donate to the Austin Food Bank. That's what this is for. It's an opportunity to help fill their coffers after what all's going on. So make sure you do that.
We have a special birthday. Liam turned 7.
I hear it's your big 7th birthday. Woo! Let's sing him a song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Liam. Happy birthday to you. Over here we got Tommy and
Tommy, OG Tommy B.
we got Barry and Tommy. Are you guys looking forward to this?
Oh, it's gonna be awesome, yeah. The enthusiasm that comes from this side of the family, you can see where I got it from.
We are at Circuit of the Americas. We're getting thumbs up from everybody. There's James. Hi, James. So here's one thing about driving a Volkswagen. Look at all the thumbs up I'm getting. And we got a Lambo. I think I'm gonna beat him. There's a Ferrari.
Volkswagen stop, Matt Jackson.
That's a big 10-4. We're gonna line up double wide right here.
Double or single?
We're gonna do double wide.
All together, let's just go. Yeah, I'm the last one.
We've got all the, let's go.
Let them slide. There you go, Jake.
Oh, look at that. We've got 40 Volkswagens at Circuit of the Americas. Craig, we got Mitch in the house. We got,
Hey, y'all got the point. We got nothing but Volkswagens in here now.
all right, we are pulling into the paddock. Look at this. Thank you. I've got my canned goods. I'm gonna hand off some canned goods. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
All right, well, we're going up Hill 1 right now. Wish me luck.
Go for it, Matt Jackson.
I've got Clark with me. Are we gonna make it?
Yeah, we are.
Here we go. I'm gonna have to grab first gear. Oh, this isn't too bad.
Not bad. Now imagine going 150 miles an hour into this corner.
Oh, man. Look at this turn. Look at this. VW Live F1 track. Woo-wee. Well, it's a beautiful day out here on the F1 track. I think everyone's really enjoying themselves. We're pulling up to the big tower now. Thank you.
Checker flag. I think we won.
We won. We did it.
It was the fastest lap of the day.
Did you guys have fun? Is this your mom? Hey, Clayton, introduce me to your mom.
This is Vita Caps.
Hi, good to meet you.
She's a trooper to put up with this.
This was long, but it was fun, huh? So, I'm glad you're out here. This is awesome.
Yeah.
Congratulations on 1,000,000 miles too.
Yeah, thanks.
Excuse me, sir. Sir. We raced. I think I won.
No way, Matt Jackson. I won.
You won.
Yeah.
She did the checker flag for me.
Oh, I got the checker. Jake here was like, apex. He was way out on the apex. I got underneath him. Jay won the checkers, man.
Congratulations.
Checkers are records, baby. Huh? What? Hey,
There's your record right there.
that's it. Well, what this says, one thing is people are I'm gonna use the change word. People are ready to go do stuff. There literally was been 1,000,000 cars out here today. I mean, unbelievable. I'm sure, I just hope
Awesome food.
that the Austin Food Bank got lots of contributions. What a great idea. Thanks, COTA, for hosting this.
Yes.
What a blast that was. We've had a lot of fun today, man.
Man, everyone was waving. I think I'd rather been in one of these buses than a Ferrari or a Lambo out there.
That's typically the way it goes. There's a Ferraris and a Lamborghinis, but these things always get more looks.
Yeah.
VW Live, baby.
Yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed it today. You know, just we're out here doing it. We got split up, but it was a fun time.
It was a very fun time. When we were all in there, the anticipation is always better than the actual event. When we were all lined up, getting ready to go in, everybody was just so excited. Then we got split up again, had to wait for another hour. But it was worth it.
It was.
It really was worth it. Thank you guys for joining us. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your aunts, tell your uncles, everybody, VW Live!